Welcome everyone to the new video and channel of the Fishing Bros. This year we have goals to accomplish, and new things, and goals. A lot of people been commenting on sending me DMs on Instagram of why haven't I been posting up lately. The reason why is because life, I've been really busy on school, and my dog, I got a new dog for my birthday last November, and everything is just, compact, like, stressed. So I really don't have time. I haven't been having time to do any fishing videos or take pictures of fish. So I'm really sorry about that. But today I want to talk about the first fishing trip I'm going to do, and that's going to be at the CEO Canal in the Potomac River. So the CEO Canal is going to be the first spot we're going to hit. Then we're going to hit the Potomac River, right under a dam. So there's big smallmouth bass down there, and walleyes and largemouths. It's crazy how all them fishes can be, in one spot, because right in the middle of the river there's a pool, deep pool, where like every single fish hangs, and muskie. But there's a secret spot that I know, but there's a 50-50 chance I probably won't catch one, or I would catch one. But fish of 10,000 cast. But yeah, I'm not really experienced on making videos and stuff, so just follow me, and with you guys support and and helps and ideas, we can make it. This year we're gonna do catfishing videos, largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, walleye, bluegills, everything. Like we're gonna do anything, every single type of fishing videos that you guys want, or challenges, or whatever you guys want to see. Yes, comment or send me a DM on Instagram, and I'm for sure going to answer you back. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some lures I'm gonna be using at the canal, and so hopefully it works. And some lures that I'm gonna be using at the river. So stay tuned with that, And yeah, let's get it. Let's get on it. So when you fish at the canal, you gotta make it natural, cause a canal is more covered with like trees, You gotta make that bait look really real, like something that they will eat. And for that, I have I'm gonna show you one of my favorite lures I like to throw. So that's my dog. He's really tired. there's so many things I have to. There's a couple of things I have to buy. I got more lures on my book bag and stuff, so yeah, that's how life is going. Alright, well, one of the first lures I'm going to be using, it's going to be, this is actually the rod that I use for the canal. It's a 6-pound mono. 6-pound mono. Yeah, I think it is 6 pound. Can't remember. This lure works perfectly fine because usually there's a school of minnows always flowing, swimming around, you know. So like this and small bluegills. Not gonna lie, hopefully this year we can catch a decent bass at the canal, cause I've seen like 3-pounders. I'm not, no lie, 3-pounders at the canal, or more. There's some big bass and big carps. That's gonna be a new subject or video that we gonna try, you know, to make. And my favorite lure to throw at the canal, it's this one, especially for spring. I've been having the last year I had like a lot of luck with this one and this one. This one. And there's other ones, but I can't find it. My other one, it's a cricket. That's like the best lure I could ever used last year to catch fish with. And so yeah, and the other baits that I'm gonna be using for the river, it's gonna be this one. Looks kind of rusty, but it has worked for me, so that's what it matters. You just wanna, at the end of the tail, you just wanna put a fluke, white fluke on it. Cause there's usually big honestly, there's usually big in summer it gets crazy, cause in summer minnows, mud minnows and other type of minnows, usually you can see them or catch them this big, but in summertime for some reason at the Potomac River they get super big, like the size like half of my hand. So like this, it's a good presentation of forget it. It's a good, I don't know, it's a good lure to catch walleyes and largemouth. And this one works good for walleyes if you put a sinker on top of it, like a Texas rig and stuff. So as this one last year I lost a fish on this one. I don't know why, but I didn't hook it good for some reason. But this gives a lot of action because it shines a lot, especially in kind of muddy areas or muddy water. And this one is my other favorite bait. It kind of looks like a crayfish. 112, 112, 112, you know. Make it as more natural as possible, and that's definitely gonna catch you. And muskie, I have a spot that my friend showed me last year, and this one guy, he caught like a 30-inch muskie, and this is one of my lures I'm gonna be using. It has a lot of action, you can see it. I gotta add a hook to it because last year I took it off for some reasons, you know. And I'm gonna be posting more. This is just an introduction of the stuff and videos I'm gonna be posting. So I'm not the best at making videos, or you know, it's my first time. So if you guys have any tips or ideas or plans, I don't mind. We can meet or whatever, you know. Just let me know, text me, let's plan it, and we can go ahead, you know, fish and have fun. So yeah, I'm gonna do my first fishing video soon on February or January, before January ends, hopefully, or if not, in February. So yeah, and we're gonna do some shark fishing this year, hopefully. I'm gonna be using my Exposor EB80 reel. With this one has this reel has 160-pound braided line, so it would definitely work good, you know. And this is the one of my small reels, cheap reel, you know, cheap rod. Onyx, come on now. That's one of my reels I'm gonna be using for sit, good boy. That's one of my videos I'm gonna be using. One of my fishing rods I'm gonna be using to catch onyx sit, some largemouth bass, and some walleye, because that's the rod I used last year to catch my walleye. So if you guys have any tips or ideas or anything, yes, let me know, comment, and share this video with your friends. You know, we can all together we can succeed, you know, to make this channel become the best. So yeah, and thanks for watching again. Please like the video or subscribe. So peace.